Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a cool one for you. I got a 1955 Chevrolet BelAir Convertible, true convertible, power top, power steering, power brakes, all out of the factory. This is a true BelAir convertible with a 265 with a power pack, 4-barrel, dual exhaust, and it is an automatic. Very rare for a 1955 to have the automatic transmission, but this one has it. All original car, been restored, but back to original equipment. Just really, really nice. And we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions, give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer, like I said, shipping and financing, but we're going to take a look at the 1955 Chevrolet BelAir Convertible. Like I said, absolutely gorgeous car, finished in beautiful red with a white on the back. It's got the bumper guard, or the premium bumper for a 1955. A lot of people call it bumper guards. It has a couple different names, but I think it's beautiful. The white wall tires, it's got the fender skirts, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The top is in excellent condition. I have pictures of it if you'd like to see it, but just really, really, really nice and clean. Really looks good. All the interior is finished original style. I believe it's been redone, but no way to know for sure. Just really, really nice. It's got the tissue holder. It's got the mirror on the passenger side, so just loaded up options on this car out of the factory. Just really, really, really nice. All the doors are in excellent shape. Really look good. Shut the door here. I do have pictures on the website of the top up. If somebody would like to see that, we can get that for you. Just message me and I can get pictures to you of anything you'd like to see on any car that I have for sale. But all in excellent shape. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. The spare tire is a match to the rest of the car, which is pretty rare. Most of the time they just throw a old tire in there, but this one is a match. It's got the sticker. Just really, really sweet and nice. Really looks good. Underneath the mat is all in good shape. It's all painted to match the rest of the car. So shut that down there, and we're going to shut the trunk here. Uh-oh, the mat came up on me. Just a second here. We're going to shut the trunk. Greg's going to start it up for us, and we'll see how it sounds. Really sounds good. It's got the little bumperettes on the back as well. I don't think the trunk shut. Did not? No, it did. Really sounds good. Just really, really, really nice here. Like I said, it's got the fender skirts, the white wall tires, the hubcaps. Just really, really looks good. All the interior, like I said, is in excellent condition. Really looks nice. So, I'll show you the door here. Driver's side door. But we'll take a look underneath the hood, and it is a true VC on the VIN number, which means it's a true BelAir V8 out of the factory. So, and like I said, this is a power pack car, 4-barrel, dual exhaust, power steering, factory, and power brakes on this car. Very, very rare. Just really looks good. 265, automatic transmission. And it's just finished beautifully, beautifully. It's got the 4-barrel carburetor, newer 4-barrel carburetor. I do have the original that goes with the car, but we did upgrade it to a newer Elderbrock 4-barrel just for runability of the car. But I'm going to shut the hood here and take one more quick look at this 1955 Chevrolet BelAir Convertible. If you have any questions on this car, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does.
We're going to take this 1955 Chevrolet BelAir for a test drive and see how it does. Napkin holder, has the mirror for the passenger side for your wife so she can get ready while you're going on your trip in your 55 Chevrolet BelAir Convertible. We got the top down and we're going to go cruising here. This car is just loaded up with options. Like I said, it does have the power top on it. Power steering, power brakes. We're going to take her for a drive. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to have the top down and driving classic cars. We're going to take her for a drive. The trees are green, the grass is green, and we're going driving. Here we go. Car really runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent run and driving car. Really, really nice. We're going to turn around and head back here, and like we do every time, I'll have Greg get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this 55 is made of. We'll really get a taste of that power pack from 1955. So, here we go. Car really does good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. Really, really does good. Steers nice. But we are almost back. And don't forget to like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. It's 859-621-5572. Or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, the only thing you got to do with this car is just get a trophy case for it. Forgot to tell you that, but we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.